Welcome guys, and in this video I want to show you how you can ban a player on Aternos server. So basically what you'll need to do is start the server and then go to the console. And right now I'm playing Minecraft, so as you can see, if I click tab, I will see the nicknames. So basically my name is Wachwiz, and what I can do is basically go to the console and type /ban Wachwiz. And as you can see, Wachwiz lost connection, you are banned from the server, and Wachwiz left the game, and it will tell you you are banned from this server. So basically to unban the Wachwiz, what you'll need to do is type /pardon Wachwiz, and it will say unbanned Wachwiz. And if I join again, as you can see, I'm good to play again, and I'm now unbanned. So if this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one. Peace.